Doraemon lowered the underground construction machine into the ground, fed in the blueprints, installed the high-pressure concrete air tanks, and finally flipped the switch. The machine would dig automatically exactly following the blueprint plans. Once the work was done and Doraemon pulled the machine back up, a steel cable peeked out from the dirt. Nobita and Doraemon hopped inside, and the entrance vanished instantly. Nobita looked around. The layout matched the blueprints perfectly. Soft floors, a giant bed, a fully equipped kitchen, everything he'd ever dreamed of. Nobita and Doraemon reached the control center of their secret base. High-tech equipment filled every corner, along with a huge curved screen and eye-shaped surveillance cameras. These cameras could pass straight through walls and soil, moving freely to monitor everything above ground. Earlier, Nobita's secret treehouse had been taken over by Giant and Sunio. Doraemon sent a camera up right away. On the screen, the two were hiding inside, celebrating. They were even mocking Nobita for being useless. Nobita was furious and decided to get back at them. Doraemon pulled out all kinds of mini missiles. Nobita picked a cement missile and loaded it into the launcher. Target locked. Fire. The missile burst out of the ground, and the cloud of dust it kicked up ruined his mom's freshly washed laundry. Doraemon gave them one last chance, warning them to leave the treehouse within 1 minute, or something even worse would happen. But it was already too late. The missile had hit. Giant and Sunio were covered head to toe in cement. Terrified, they ran straight home. Nobita wanted to go up and taunt them, but realized he'd forgotten to dig an escape tunnel. Doraemon quickly pulled out the secret tunnel flashlight. He shone it on the ground, and an underground passage formed instantly. Nobita yelled a few insults at Giant and Sunio, then ducked back into the tunnel. The soil closed up on its own, leaving no trace behind. Furious and helpless, the two could only punch the walls in frustration until the yard owner chased them away. Nobita and Doraemon watched the live feed, feeling totally satisfied. They decided to use the base to keep order and protect peace. But all they saw at first were two big guys bumping into each other and apologizing politely. Then they broke up a fight between two stray cats. The base suddenly felt completely useless. Suddenly, Shizuka appeared on the screen. She was being cornered by 3 bullies. Nobita quickly loaded a sneeze missile into the launch silo, saved Shizuka, and taught the 3 troublemakers a lesson. But Nobita suddenly had a bad feeling. He switched the camera to his house. Oh no, his hidden zero-score test papers had been found by his mom. Nobita warned his mom to leave the room, or he would launch an attack right after he finished speaking. Nobita pressed the launch button for the laughing missile. His mom couldn't stop laughing. Nobita figured it was time to get his papers back. He immediately started digging an underground tunnel that opened a hole right through the first floor. But his mom turned the tables on him and took over the secret base. Just as Nobita was about to burn the test papers, his mom's voice came through the surveillance system. Sit at your desk and start studying right now. You know exactly what happens if you don't listen. Dare to doze off. Want a missile to the face.